What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As what I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are do it. Today we just show the journey where we take on a daily basis. So stick through. Check it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win. They up on the Cumberland side. Portmore. Dog them. People stay true to wealth. Pretty cars, enough money, Gucci belt. Watch her who she fell. Lose everything and see if she don't move to them. Move go with a dead rich boss with a big yard and a couple coupe in there. Tell her about she not the second first still. Tell him when you learn. Everybody with you when you reach and earn. We just live and learn. Lose everything.
Yeah man, you know it's your boy Henry back on it again. Right now we there, we just sit down and go and easy. We're on the front. As we Jamaican, that's how we're on the front. You see me? Meaning we just dip on the road and wait for a bus. You see me? Right now it's about we check the time right now it's about 4:30, you see me? So that'll be like my normal hours some other reach on the road and wait for a bus or a taxi. You know. Yeah, that catch a cab like say 4:30 a morning time. So my bus take like 1.5 hours to reach a town. Taxi now take like about 45 minutes. So it's like when you check the ratio it's a whole heap of time that we have on hand. So when we use that time they either have to listen to music or we are asleep or we are meds. Recipe for what we are gonna do when we reach our work. So we get a whole heap of time for things. So it's a journey as I tell you before. The journey is not normal. So you see me down the road and no more down the road and me alone. As I can see, nobody. Probably a year along 1 and 2 vehicle pass. So yeah man, them things that we have to take on a daytime just to reach, cause we have to travel from one parish to another parish. And we in a bus. You see me? Oh, in a bus people I'll just asleep beside you and things. So my style is that probably too early me have to wake up in the morning time. I have to take in like all if I want half an hour sleep. Can't tell you what catch me one day. Me and I bust asleep. Sleeping on me I tell you name. So fly fan. And when I wake up, nobody not in the bus me I tell you. Nobody. When I look police search on the bus and thing. And the last man left in the bus. So and then I try my best to justify my half an hour. Say, drop asleep in the bus is a problem at the end of the day. See you by your car. You don't know what can happen. And I say, oh, suppose somebody left something upon me when the police are search me. Gone for that. So we have it rough at morning time. Cause then time they sleep a bite and things. So we get the meds a whole heap of things same way. The end of the day. So anybody who travel at morning time can tell them about the journey. Alright, people. On next day me I tell you say I'm in a bus, bro. And like in a bus, cause you know when you get a middle seat in a bus, problem for sleep, When you get a corner seat, you can't sleep, cause the bus them in a Jamaica a 5 somebody in a each row. So you know, and I really not comfortable thing. Really did a 5 or a 6. Yeah man, 5 somebody in a each row in a bus them. So a man in the bus, me I tell him, I say the man in the bus and the man asleep. And me I tell him, I say come here, the man want to sleep off the whole of my shoulder. All the man has drop asleep on me, me say me a elbow the man, me a elbow the man, me a elbow the man. The man will nip. The man just feel like he want to sleep on my shoulder. Me I say, what this man here meds? Probably tired or whatever, but brother. You know when a man try to drop asleep on me, so me a elbow the man. You see me? Elbow the man that never me have my back and lick the man and the man would never get up me I tell no people. So, whole heap of things we have to go through in our bus. Both good and both bad, but as me I tell you now, most of the time I sleep, I go sleep. So, and wake up, I have to take on the next vehicle. Yeah, man, reaching a town you know, so if I tell them I'm reach a town, it's like when we wake up, I see me reach a town, so not every morning still, but now I wake up reaching a city you know, so we are going to come out to go look at cab you know, jump out right at parade there, so I know you know, we in a cab you know, so it's a next journey this you know, this about a next 15-minute ride for reach my workplace, so yeah. Meanwhile, we have to jump on a car cause the JUTC take long for load some item. Not every time. Some item will take JUTC. Some item will take a cabby. Cabby reach faster. Yeah. So them JUTC they work up at times. So once you're late, you're late. You have to take something different. So people in a pretty some morning them. So you see, we are yarn. Just wake up. More we wake up, we have to just run out, same time and jump in a cabby. You see me? So we a boy have to take on every day of the week. Body kinda get used to it still, so we just do it. As would I say, another day, another dollar. Out here, we do it. Always out here and I do it, you see me? So yeah man, so we reach our work you know. So we have to go through like 2 security at morning time. 2 security we have to go through reach and the canteen at morning time. So we go through the first security go through the next security.
Do you like the way you're living? Come on, let's make a change.
Yeah man, so if you reach at the end of the video that means
we can make a difference.
like, share, comment, subscribe,
Let's make a change.
till another video.
We can make a difference. We can make a change if we only do better. Stop being followers. Be trendsetters, stay focused, my sisters and brother, and stop fight each other.
Let's just unite and live right and make the world live better. Stop crime and violence.